blob may be on trend for 2015, but sexy waves are always fashionable and they're gonna be here to stay. So let's say you've gone out the night before and you have this classic Hollywood glam wave. A really easy transition stage would be to basically change the parting and the texture of the hair by really just making a few adjustments. So what I want to do is just comb her hair straight back and try to lose that glamorous side part and put in a real cool boho hippie center part. Let's just give it a good brushing, take out some of those knots and tangles. And now what we're gonna do is, you can see the wave pattern here doesn't make sense anymore because it was meant to be on the other side. So what we're gonna do is just tweak a few sections. I like to tweak just the top layer of the hair. Put that hair over to the side, ringlet. Okay, now that you've curled it, now it's time to give that kind of lived-in, beachy, undone, sexy look. Use Beach Blonde Sea Wave Sea Salt Spray and gently run your fingers through the hair to loosen it to a more relaxed feel. This spray is such a cult classic that it's perfect for brunettes and redheads as well. What's so amazing about this spray, oh my god, is the smell. The scent of coconut. I feel like I'm on a tropical holiday. And that gives you that great boho, kind of sexy bedhead texture that looks still very cool and modern. And you're ready to hit the town. And that's it. It really is that easy to get sexy beachy waves all year round. Thanks for watching, and be sure to keep an eye on John Frieda's social channels for more expert tips and videos.